your right hand and let us recite the pledge of loyalty. Having been awarded with our diploma, with a graduate from Mabini Elementary School, batch 2023 and 2024, expressed in this memorable moments our deepest gratitude to God, to our parents, and to our teachers. We pledge to hold our diplomas untarnished, to be ever faithful in the teaching in school, to be model in public service, and to be loyal to ideals for which our nation stands.